Updating your payment information on PayPal is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is up to date. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the settings menu, look for the payments or payment methods section. Click on it to view your current payment options. Step 4. Update payment information. Choose the payment method you want to update, such as a credit card or bank account. Click on the Edit or Update option and enter the new information. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment details, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button and click it to finalize the update. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information current on PayPal. Regularly checking your account ensures smooth transactions in the future.